Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you running out of storage and wondering what's taking up so much space on your computer? This is one of the most common issues for Windows users. Over time, your PC gets filled with temporary files, system updates, hidden partitions, and apps you don't even use anymore. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly find what's taking up space on your hard drive, and most importantly, how to clean it up to free space instantly. Method 1. View contents and free up space via Storage Sense. Step 1. Press Windows + I on the Windows 10 desktop to open the settings. Then click System, and then select Storage. Step 2. You can see all the hard drives on your computer and the space used here. You can also click on the Storage Sense button to automatically clean up the files you don't need. Step 3. Click a hard drive. You will see its usage and choose a category based on storage. You can uninstall the files in these categories. Method 2. Use App Mover to free up hard drive space. Step 1. Install and launch AOMEI Partition Assistant. Select the App Mover under Free Up. Step 2. When the main interface of this function is opened, select the drive where the application to be moved exists and click Next. Step 3. In this step, tick the application you want to move and the location where the target application want to move. You can make multiple selections, then click Move. Step 4. Hit OK to confirm the prompt, and then the transfer will get started. Step 5. After it's done, click on Finish. After a few simple steps, you have successfully freed up the space of C drive. And that's how you can easily find and fix what's taking up space on your computer. By cleaning up unnecessary files and managing your storage, you'll free up gigabytes of space and keep your PC running at top speed. Thank you for watching here. See you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send us an email.